Is there a way to improve and streamline my existing estate plan? How can I get more tax savings and more tax deductions? Can I pass along these enhancements to my beneficiaries for generations to come? The answer to all these questions is BIAT, which stands for Beneficiary Income Accumulation Trust. You may have already heard of a BDOT, otherwise known as a Beneficiary Deemed Owner Trust. The BIAT planning offered by Kelleher Holland is based on BDOT provisions. When combined with our other enhanced trust provisions that allow for flexibility and increased asset protection, BIAT provides so much more. More income tax savings, more income tax deductions, more estate tax savings, more generation skipping transfer tax savings, and more money to your beneficiaries. And almost anyone can benefit, whether single, a surviving spouse, married, a traditional or blended family, second or more marriages. BIAT can maximize your estate's value for generations to come. The way BIAT provisions are structured allows the beneficiary to have more flexibility and more choices regarding the trust's annual income. For example, a beneficiary can choose to keep all of the cash associated with the trust's annual income inside the trust and pay the trust's income taxes with personal assets, or withdraw just the amount of cash from the trust to pay Uncle Sam. They can also withdraw all of the trust's annual income if they choose to do so. Having more choices means more income kept out of the taxable estate and protected from creditors. BIAT provisions also allow for streamlined income tax filings, so in this case, less is actually more. Less paperwork, less administrative fees, and less red tape. And if there are separate descendants trusts created for the beneficiary's children, they get all the same BIAT benefits, and the family assets continue to be protected. They also have the choice to keep cash in trust to provide major tax savings for them as well, providing benefits on a multi-generational scale, equating to decades of savings. But wait, there's more. BIAT also avoids many administrative headaches. For example, the trust is structured so that trust asset gains can be easily offset with any potential outside asset losses. Any S corporation stock can also be held by the trust without complications. The Internal Revenue Code contains multiple deductions and exclusions that, without BIAT planning, beneficiaries would not be eligible to receive. And for those that currently file multiple tax returns, BIAT can simplify that process and in most cases, reduce the number of annual income tax returns to be filed down to one. The bottom line is, BIAT gives you more. It allows more assets to stay in trust at preferable income tax brackets, gives the owner and their beneficiaries more choices, and provides more estate and GST tax savings. BIAT also allows more income tax deductions and provides more creditor protection. Contact us to schedule a free consultation to find out how BIAT can give you more.